We're going to be showing off some things. Well, it's a bit dark. That we got. I brought this.
They can't see it.
This is poop.
They can't see it. It's a bit dark. Look at this.
Oh, it needs to go lower.
Look at this. This is not
Move it
working.
somewhere.
Move it somewhere where you can get light. But they took lights on. Okay, maybe we should get it here. Okay. So go. Okay. Now we can show you. So we've got from our resort lots of Lego characters, as you can see right here. He has
I got a silver brick.
a silver Lego brick. It may look silver to you, but it's really silver to
It's
us.
silver.
And then I have got
Look, it's silver, you can see.
yeah, and I have got a Hulk.
And we've
Man.
got more. You might want to put that down so they can.
Yeah, maybe I should go like that.
And I'm going to bring my other guy. This might be hilarious. Subscribe to my channel if you love this guy.
Yeah.
I'm doing loads of videos on this
Yeah.
guy. Hot dog man!
Da-da-da. Here comes Hot Dog Man, watch out.
Look at him. He's got mustard.
Ava, no, can I check mine? No. And if you're a Star Wars fan, you'll really like this one because
Ava's joining in.
it is a Star Wars.
I got Kai. I got Kai.
And here's Kai. I also have Kai.
And I have the electric. I have Jay.
I also have Jay.
I've got someone off X-Nights.
He has, who is it?
Clay.
Clay. I have
And then
Flash.
Batman.
A Flash, he's very
We
fast.
both just picked DC.
I've also got a DC there. We've also got
I've
Cole
got,
from Ninjago Masters.
From, yeah.
And I also have, if you're a Star Wars fan, you also have this one,
She's gonna
BB-8.
join in. I got the Black Ninja.
And also one is pretty new to all of us. This silver,
Right, we've got some.
which is
and I've got
actually
someone
white,
else.
but
And we've
robot
got
version.
something else to see here. If you girls watching this,
This is for Ava, but I've got one more character to show you. This one that I got when I was on holiday.
I'm just gonna keep your click
love
view.
Legoland, if you can see that. And then silver brick again. Okay, now let's see Ava's.
Hi everybody, I am Ava. These two.
Get in the
I don't know what
get in.
Ava is.
She does not have a YouTube channel yet, but she might be getting one.
Yes, I might be getting one. So
Hey, please subscribe
Please
to
subscribe.
my channel and his channel.
yeah.
If you want a
And,
shout out, we'll tell you the shouts at the end.
Yeah.
So
I have got from
I'll hold it.
We're in a hotel. We're in a hotel.
Yeah, we're in a hotel.
We'll show you around the hotel next
Yes.
video.
Yeah.
You've got a bumblebee.
Yeah.
Show it
A
to camera a little
bumblebee
bit.
girl.
From
You should go on that roller coaster again tomorrow.
The Lego
this
series
is-
season 20.
This is what Ava's
I
got.
think that's what series
That's
it is.
Ava's. Here you go, Ava.
And she also got
and I got a Lego Fairy from the Jitsu.
no, it's from
we've all
from
had
the King's.
favorites.
The King.
Land.
Oh yeah, I forgot to show
Show
you
that.
guys one more.
Okay,
Oh yeah,
I'll show
he
that.
also got him. Oh, where's your Superman? He
Oh,
also
I'll show-
got
he's got
Green
Superman.
Lantern, Superman,
These are the Hulk.
policeman.
Here's the
I'm showing
Hulk.
them.
So
There's a Hulk.
that'll be it
He's
for
already
all
shown it.
today.
Right, hey, no, wait,
Now
guys.
it's tour time. Tour time.
Tour
Let's see
time.
it.
See you later, guys.
His channel's name is
You should know my name.
Henry Lane.
Henry Lay. Mine
Wait,
is
we need to show,
obviously
show him sorted next video.
And
Bye,
Ava does not
guys.
have one yet. She might be getting one.
Yeah, and
Bye.